Okay, I'm reloaded. Big Dappuccino here. This is Show and Tell number 36. Establishing the shot. The light looks good. I'm always filming by myself, so I have to make adjustments. Before I start out doing what I do, I'm gonna take time out to talk about something. Um, I don't know how many of you who subscribe to me know about a channel called Tune Tracks Racing. Tune Tracks Racing. It's a very good channel. I subscribe to it myself, and very entertaining. The content provider, sometimes he features his young son. His son is battling leukemia, so it's kind of important, if you can, to check out his channel and please subscribe as they fight leukemia. And as they subscribe, and of course get money from YouTube, they're contributing to fight that cause. So please, everybody, pitch in. It's very important. With that said, let's go on. This is a small haul. I even took some time to review some past hauls. Well, the past haul from Show and Tell 35, which I had the Forza cars and the Fast and the Furious cars, premium, and the Matchbox Superfast. We're going to talk about them after we go to the hauls for this week. Like I said, if you're into this channel for big hauls, like I had last week, which I had a $40 haul in there. That's not all the time, but I always order cars, at least 2 a week. And waiting for a car right now, a Tomica car coming from overseas. But like I always say, not the best channel, not the worst channel. And just show a little love to the diecast. Let's get into it. On September the 4th, which was Wednesday, I got in got in this taxi, which from the Greenlight series, New York taxi. This is a 2013 Ford Fusion. I had been looking to get one of these for a while because like I said, I like service vehicles. You're trying to have a versatile collection. You need service vehicles. You need taxis. You need police cars. You need fire trucks. Something of that matter. And this is the one I had for a while. I think I had this more, I want to say, going on 2 years or not. Yeah. About 2 years, I think. Maybe more. Yeah, it's a Greenlight. This is a Crown Vic, 2011. And this is like, it's even though they don't make the Ford Fusion anymore, I don't even think Ford makes too many sedans anymore. Sorry, folks. Sometimes it be like that. We're live. Yeah, that's it out of the package. I cut the blister. It doesn't do anything. The hood doesn't even open. Unlike this one, which I didn't even know the hood opened, but I used my little special tool to open the hood. For the longest time, that hood wasn't open. I'm sorry, folks. Dropped something. Like I say, I'm live. Please bear with me. Yeah, this Ford Fusion is a good addition to the collection. For New York Taxi Series, if you get a chance, and it's exclusive. What you mean? I don't think they make that many of them. It's not giving me a date. It came out. Oh, this came out this year, 2019. So we on the ball. So, like I said, sometimes I get the newer castings. Sometimes I go back and get the older. But it's been out before. It just so happened I got a 2019 series version. And with that said, we're going to move on to this Johnny Lightning Corvette, which is a older casting. So giving a date. As you see, I cut the blister. It's a 1998 Chevy Corvette convertible, which I've been looking for one. These are all the models in that series. They had a 63, 54, 72 LT1, which I have one like that, but it's a Greenlight. And no, I have a L88, not a LT1, my bad, but it's a 72. This is a 66 Corvette. Also, they're in another 63 Corvette GS. It's a different trim style. And then the 1998 Corvette convertible, which I'm holding. And I think this was to celebrate 46 years. So this came out in 1999. It's not... Package looks a little beat up, but for 1999, it's doing pretty well. Yes, I say so myself. I cut the blister. Let's go on hand. So that's the car. I don't like the flimsy windshield, but it's a 1999. I think I got a Hot Wheels that's about the same as this, but it has tail lights and all that, but the wheels, they're great. As this one is. This don't even have rubber wheels, do it? Nah, wheels is plastic. They feel like plastic to me. It's a lot of detail though. Black on black. Corvette insignias. The windshield is kind of whack. I think they could have did a better job with that. It's got side mirrors, which is rare because most die-cast cars, even premium, don't have side mirrors. And the trunk opens. I mean, the hood opens. I'm sorry. I always get that wrong. You can see the engine in there. But, yeah, it closes. I think this is die-cast. This is definitely metal. It looked like this is metal, too. The base is metal. It's an older Johnny Lightning. It's a cool addition, man. I love Corvettes. If you've been tuning into my channel, you should know Chevys are my favorite car, and I love collecting Corvettes. Why? I don't know, because I tried to get one a few years ago. Even went to the dealership, sat in it, test drived it. I mean, I did it when I was younger too, because I had an uncle who owned a Corvette. But as an adult, I was thinking about getting one until I sat in it, and man, it felt like I was sitting on the street. It was so low. So, yeah. But they are cool cars, especially this model. The ones from the 90s and the early 2000s. I love them all, but kind of don't like the newer ones. I don't like all the angles on them. And now they look like the Camaros a little bit. And it's weird because the Camaros look like Corvettes a little bit. Guess they're sharing platforms somehow, design-wise. But it's a cool addition. Next, let's get into what came Friday. And that was something I've been trying to get for a while. It's another Johnny Lightning. It's the newer series. I don't think it's a 2019. When did this come out? Are they telling me? Are we gonna see some dates? I'm gonna tell it. This is 2018. So this is last year. And I've been trying to get one of these for a while, the barn finds. And it's kind of strange because usually they come with a diorama piece, which raises the price up to sometimes between over $15. Some of them I've seen as high as $25. But usually the diorama piece they have in with it inflates the price. And I don't care about diorama. I don't have space for that. I hardly have space for all these die casts. But some people want dioramas because they have space in the basement and stuff. Have stuff set up. But this is a 70 Dodge Coronet. Is it a Super B? Is it saying it's a Super B or is it just a regular Coronet? Yeah, it's a Super B. Which it would be cooler if it was a yellow and black Super B. But oh well. That would probably be very rare. And of course, what am I trying to focus on? I think, where is the Dodge Coronet? I don't know. I didn't pick it up. Did I put it away? I don't think I put it away. I might have put it away. I shouldn't have put it away because it was one of the, I don't see it. So I'm thinking it might have failed. I might have put it away by accident. So I doubt it would have failed. Well, I did have a Dodge Coronet up here, but I can't find it right now, so I think I put it up. But I already cut the blister on this one too, so. And I've been wanting to get one of these for a while. So, Dodge Coronet. I like the front. It's very unique. It reminds me of a car my dad had. He had a Plymouth Fury, 1972. And the front, even though it had highway lights, the grill was kind of like this. But it's more kin to like the Road Runner. Well, yeah, it's more kin to like, yeah, the Road Runner, the Plymouth Road Runner. And of course the hood opens. Is it gonna open for me? Kind of stiff. Some of these hoods, some of them open real good, some of them don't. You know, you see that engine. You see that orange on it. It's supposed to be just orange heads. Sometimes they have blue engine or orange heads. But definitely orange heads. That's the Chrysler Mopar classic thing they did. So yeah, this is cool. As you see, it has the mismatch wheels, which I think Johnny Lightning does good. They also did it with the import heat on some models, which this is an import heat Honda. Kind of give it that look of a tire or a rim. You know, they may not have had the money to get to match it back up right. They had to use what they had, you know. Kind of realistic. Some reason this wheel is kind of funky too. I don't know. That's one thing I noticed about Johnny Lightning. One of their flaws. I think Greenlight has better wheels and rotor situation going, even though they're not the best rollers. But you don't have to worry about their wheels being all wonky. Sometimes their wheels be wonky. Their tires are so skinny. Okay, now let's get into part 2 of the segment. Let's put all this stuff on the floor so we have more room, so I can talk. First, let's talk about these Superfast. Now, I should talk about the Greenlights. I mean, not Greenlights, but Hot Wheels. Yeah, this is just showing them because y'all seen these, the Forza. I didn't have a model compared with this. Just showing them out. I don't know if this one has gotten all the attention it deserves. This is a Grand Sport. That was the Shelby. That was the Ford for Torino. It's the Grand Sport. I should have brought a model down to compare it with this, but man, should have bought something for the Chevelle, but y'all seen it around. The Monte Carlo from the Fast and Furious and the Bel Air, but we can compare this. Well, let's get into this right here, the Veneno, which I seen somebody post on Tune Tracks this morning. I seen them post a Tomica one, which looked awesome. It's an awesome car. And as you can see, I got the cars on the side. So I've been into the Forza. These came with the game. When you pre-ordered the game, Forza 7 and Forza 3, Horizon 3, you got these full size model. I think they're 143. This is a Porsche GT. I think it's GT2 or GT3. And they were the cover cars for each respective game. And this was the forgot what this is. Oh, they're Barangos. I didn't know that. People been talking about Barango. Already had one. This is the Senna. I think it was the Lambo. It's the Lamborghini. It says Sesto Elemento. Forgot which one is good. It's the cover car. I think it is the Sesto Elemento. I guess this is Borga too. I'm not saying who. It's Japanese, definitely. I'm not saying who created this one. But you get the thing. I've been into the the Horizon Forza thing for a while. You know, this is the Porsche. The only thing I had to connect it with is the Rockwell. Of course, Rockwell, they usually, this is supposed to be an 80 Porsche. And Rockwell, I think, no, 80 Porsche is this one. I'm sorry. I got Porsches everywhere. And I was supposed to compare that. We're going to do that later. This is a GT. Just seeing the realism. We keep that over there. But I did bring this for that. So we can compare them all over the place. This is, of course, the Fast and the Furious series. The first series, I think, they had out. You can see the difference, premium and stuff. Same one. Excuse me. I'm glad I got this premium now. It's a cool car. Brian Walker's, anything Brian Walker drove is hot. I mean, I said Brian Walker. Brian O'Connor / Paul Walker, my bad. And this is the 61, which was in Fate of the Furious, I think. Yeah. And this is the Racing Champ 1960 that I got. And you can see the similarities. Of course, this is more premium, of course. That's why I was so upset. I'm like, it deserved more. It deserved a whole lot more attention. Let's see what else. Yeah. Seen the 370. It's everywhere. This is a car that was easiest to get. And this Veneno, Lamborghini Veneno, people going to go crazy over that. Well, let's get into these the Superfast, which always Matchbox. Just the level of detail on the Camaro, and I brought this is a I may not be able to open this. We may not have time to play with this like this, but this opens too. It's just being difficult right now, and I don't feel like dealing with it. But this Greenlight is the red one. And they're later models, but similar dimensions. And you see how Matchbox just killed that. Broke wheels, everything. To me, they did a better job than Car Culture with that. They killed this. Even though I was kind of concerned because they ain't had no rear window. And I'm like, is this truck supposed to have a rear window in real life? And they went the cheap route with the interiors the same color as the body. The wheels are cool. Got headlights. Got tail lights at the bottom. Yeah. It's a killer car, but that interior should have been black. But I look at my Tomica, and it's supposed to be like a service truck or something. And is that what this is? And I noticed they didn't do a back window on theirs either. So I'm like, okay, maybe that some models are made like that, or maybe that's a smart corporate way of doing it. But this is the Bomb Diggy right here. This 80 Porsche Turbo. They killed this tan interior. Seat's kind of bulky, but oh well. That is awesome. They could have went the cheap route And just, you know. And compare that to the Rockwell Porsche, because I know the Japanese dude who does Rockwell, the original owner and designer, he liked to use older Porsches, like from the 90s, at least early 2000s, late 90s. If he could get them 80s to customize. So. Pretty nasty. Pretty nasty. I don't know. Now, concerned about the Coronet. But I remember we had the Buick GSX, and it's in the collection now. This hood is funky too. Disregard my neighbors. Okay, got the Chevy. Also a Greenlight. Oh, this was a Johnny Lightning. This is a Greenlight. That Johnny Lightning's from the Muscle Car series. This Greenlight is exclusive. It's supposed to be turtle wax or something. I don't know. It doesn't have any logos on it. I just want it because I wanted a 67. Excuse me, folks. And it's got the RS treatment, which means I will be getting one with exposed headlights soon. That's pretty much it, man. We showed a little love to the diecast. It was kind of rushed. Probably not my best episode ever, but it is what it is. Thank you for tuning in. And until next time, show a little love to the diecast. It's Big Tappuccino signing out. Peace.